Definitions. A. Asset custodian. KNPC official who has been assigned the responsibility for managing the activities of the unit/building/area as the case may be. B. Battering. Battering, often referred to as sloping, is a way of preventing cave-ins by cutting the face back to a safe incline. The angle of incline required to prevent collapse varies with the soil type, the height of the face, the moisture content of the soil and any surcharge loads acting on the face. C. Benching. A method of protecting workers from cave-ins by excavating the sides of an excavation to form one or a series of horizontal levels or steps, usually with vertical or near-vertical surfaces between levels. D. Cave-in. The separation of a mass of soil or rock material from the side of an excavation, or the loss of soil from under a trench shield or support system, and its sudden movement into the excavation, either by falling or sliding, in sufficient quantity so that it could entrap, bury, or otherwise injure and immobilize a person. E. Excavation. Excavation shall include all groundbreaking for foundations, sewers, underground process and utility lines, trenching, pile driving, electrical conduits and cables, groundwater wells, soil borings, grout holes, concrete floor cutting, guard posts, spill cleanup, etc. F. Restricted area. Restricted area is within the controlled area in which entry is permitted only to authorized persons and a valid gate pass is necessary to enter these premises. Controlled area is the entire KNPC premises fenced or otherwise, to which access is controlled or restricted. Examples of controlled area includes the car parking area outside refineries and LM, project administration building at MAB. Restricted area is inside the man entry gates in the refineries and depots where movement is restricted with gate pass. G. Shoring. Shielding. A structure that is able to withstand the forces imposed on it by a cave-in and thereby protect employees within the structure. Shields can be permanent structures or can be designed to be portable and move along as work progresses. H. Slit trench. Exploratory trenches of specified dimensions excavated for identification of existing underground services, as where and when directed by the company. I. Soil classification system. A method of categorizing soil and rock deposits in a hierarchy of hard compact, lightly to crack, soft sand or filled, in decreasing order of stability. The categories are determined based on an analysis of the properties and performance characteristics of the deposits and the environmental conditions of exposure. J. Trench. Trench means an excavation having a depth greater than its width measured at the bottom. Waiver for excavation. A. In some emergency situations, for example, rupture of a pipeline, an excavation may be required after normal working hours or on weekends, holidays. Due to non-availability of signatories, refinery shift leader, RSL, can waive the requirement for obtaining excavation authorization for carrying out urgent repairs to contain the emergency. B. RSL shall advise the issuing authority to issue hot, cold work permit without excavation authorization to contain the emergency. He shall inform the team leader KNPC Safety and Fire Division and team leader operations of the area immediately regarding the waiver. The issuer shall mention waived by RSL. Against associated excavation entry no, on the permit.